Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a dark mode on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at the settings and privacy menu, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called display. It's right over here. Then I want you to click on display, and here you will have the appearance settings. As you can see, currently we have a light mode on the phone. If we click on the dark mode, we're gonna get the dark mode on the phone. But there is a third option as well. Let's go back to the light mode and let's click on the option beneath, use devices settings. If you click on this, the app will actually match the default theme on your phone. If you have a dark theme on your phone, or if you have a light theme on your phone, the device will simply represent the theme on the actual app. In this particular case, TikTok is matching the theme that we have on our phone. And this is what is recommended, to have the same theme that you have on your phone to have on your other apps you're using. Simply will be easier for the eyes to adjust every time when you switch from one app to another. And this is how you get a dark mode on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.